In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use the tools on app.photoroom.com. This website is a powerful resource for editing photos with ease, allowing you to enhance and modify your images to fit your personal or professional needs. Let's dive right in and take advantage of its creative capabilities. First, you want to navigate to the website app.photoroom.com and head over to the Create section. It's an intuitive start point that sets you up for a seamless photo editing experience. Here, the possibilities for creating engaging and eye-catching visuals are at your fingertips. So, make sure your internet connection is steady to avoid any interruptions in your creative process. Next, once you're on the Create page, you'll notice an option that says Drop one or more photos. This feature is exceptionally handy because it allows you to upload a batch of images or just a single photo, depending on your needs. Drag and drop your selected images right into this space. It's simple, effective, and time-saving for anyone eager to get their photo editing underway immediately. Now that your images have been uploaded, it's time to bring them to life with some adjustments. You'll see a position option which grants you the ability to tweak the layout of your photos. This step is essential for refining the overall composition of your images. You might want to shift objects slightly to the left or right, or align multiple images for superior cohesiveness. Taking the time to position your images properly will significantly impact the final look and feel of your project. At this stage, your images are taking shape, but there's more you can do to enhance them even further. You'll see options to flip your images or adjust their angles. These tools are excellent if you're looking to create a mirrored effect or add dynamic movement to your photos. Playing around with the angles can give your images a unique flair that's entirely your own. Experimenting with these settings helps you understand what works best, and it's a fun way to potentially discover new artistic presentations that you hadn't considered before. By following these straightforward steps, you can transform your photos into polished, professional-looking pieces suitable for various uses, whether it's for social media posts, presentations, or print. Remember, creativity knows no boundaries, so don't hesitate to explore different configurations and settings until you're satisfied. Your skills with app.photoroom.com will only grow as you continue to practice and experiment. That's it for today's guide. Thanks for joining me, and happy editing.